So on Independence Day, we are able to register three different cases of murders.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
It was peaceful, calm. We had a series of activities. First and foremost, we are aware presidential campaigns are ongoing, and we actually had Independence Day celebration. So on Independence Day, we were able to register three different cases of murders, where we had one in Kole, another one in Guania, and another one in Oyam district. We had murder by stabbing in Guania district. The territorial police in Guania are closely investigating suspected murder by stabbing, which occurred on the 9th of October 2025, Independence Day. This incident happened at Ogobi Center in Ayiro village, Agwishiri parish in Namo sub-county in Guania district. It was alleged that Ongom Leo Oscar, 31 years old, left home on the 9th of October 2025 at around 1500 hours and went to the shop of Chen Moses, who had organized some music system for Ouro celebration within Ogobi Center. Ongom was there for the disco place, at the disco place after around midnight, when he left on a border with his girlfriend, Atim Sharon. However, later in the morning, Ongom was found dead, lying along the road, just 80 meters south of Uchen Moses, a shop where the music system was. The border rider and Atim Sharon were nowhere at this scene. A report was made to the police. Suspected murder by stabbing was registered. The deceased had a deep wound below the left eye. Only the stockings were found on his feet without the shoes. The deceased had nose and mouth bleeding, with some bruises on the hands and the left shoulders. Motive of his murder is something which we are closely investigating. The prime suspects, the girlfriend and the border man, are all at large, and efforts to have them apprehended is ongoing since they are well known in the areas. We also had a murder in Kole, where currently our territorial police in Kole district have arrested three people in connection to suspected murder of Otuke Lawrence, 33 years old, a resident of Adelo Moro Shell, Adilo Ward, a little town council in Kole district. It was alleged that on the 9th of October 2025, at an unknown time, Otuke Lawrence, deceased now, was attacked by a group of men who beat him up badly in some maize garden and later went and tied him on a mango tree, purportedly that he hangs himself. However, when a report was registered at a little police station, we brought in our canine, and the canine led us to the scene, to the maize garden where he was beaten. We even discovered some blood stains, which was recovered. The samples were taken. The colonel still led us to the home where we managed to arrest the three suspects, and these suspects are Pio Dickens, Okelo Joshua, and Ujok Dennis. All are residents of Owani Adilo Wat, a little town council in Kole district. All are in custody at Kole Central Police Station to support investigation. The body of the deceased was taken to the Regional Referral Hospital where postmortem was conducted. Relevant statements have been recorded and their files attached for submission to the resident state attorney. The phone suspected to be for the deceased was abandoned at the road side. there was a disco on Uhuru Day in one of the bars that belongs to Dongo Morish, and there were many people dancing there. So we had a lady called Akulu Tamale who was dancing, and one of the man in the names of Imulu Faustino wanted to dance with this lady, but the lady refused. Now, because he was drunk, he ended up boxing this lady. Unfortunately, he boxed her just under the breast, and that's a very deadly area. This lady fell down and fainted, and she collapsed and died instantly. So the man tried to run away, but later he was apprehended, and we have him in custody. Meanwhile, the lady's body was taken to the Otuke Health Center where a postmortem was also conducted. So this makes the 3 murder cases that we registered on Independence Day. Yeah.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.